Hello everyone, greetings. I hope you are fine. And so this tutorial is going to be about how we can add subtitles or caption to our YouTube videos automatically in just a few seconds. Right now, we are at the dashboard of our website. So on the left side, you will see a content section. Okay, so you have to click on the content section. If you're a beginner, you just need to follow me step by step, and you will eventually able to turn on the captions for your video. So let's suppose we want to turn on the caption for this video. I will just select this video and click on this details icon. Okay, pencil icon, and after that, when you scroll down, you will see on the right side an option with subtitles. So you have to select this, and it will take to the subtitles section. Okay, so as you can see that it has already automatically added the subtitles. Okay, so let me show you. If the subtitles are not added for any of your video, then how you can turn it on. In this video, the subtitles are already turned on. So let's go back and select any other videos. So you should make sure that the language of your video should be in English, otherwise you have to add your subtitles manually. So I'm going to here and subtitles. Okay, and here you will see that you can upload your subtitle file or you can type manually, but there's an option in which auto sync. YouTube automatically detects your language and adds the subtitles. But as you can see that the language of this video is set to German, so we have to edit it to English. Okay, so in order to automatic feature to work, so I will select English here, save, and after that after that this auto sync option will be turned on. So as you can see it's been turned on, so I will click on this, and now it will start adding the subtitles. So you have to just click save and then come back, and you will see that the subtitles have been added. So go to subtitles again. Okay, and caption, or you can just play the video or go to the edit as text. Click on three dots, or you can click edit timings, and here you can add manually. But let me just refresh the page again. So we'll go back and then back and refresh our dashboard. So right now it's not displaying because the it is in process. Video is processing the subtitle, and it will be regenerated here after a few times. But let me show you for the previous video at which I have already shown it to you. So let's go back to that video. So that video is here. This is the video and subtitles, and here, and you can see that it's this kind of subtitle will automatically be generated on that video too, but after a few times, because it is because the subtitle that we have added, it is in process. So that's all about how you can add subtitles to a video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.